Alright, grab your phone for 60 seconds. If you've got Temu installed, we're going to set everything up together. If you don't, download it first, then come right back. Before you tap on anything inside the app, look at the code on your screen. This is the exact code I used after testing a bunch of random ones, and it consistently unlocked better coupon bundles and stronger free gift offers for me. Don't skip this part. It's the biggest mistake most people make. Now, open Temu. Don't start browsing. Don't search for products. Don't fill your cart. Just stay on the home screen. Next, activate the code on screen. This should be the first thing you do, not the last. Once I did that, the app immediately started showing bigger coupon bundles, bonus discount offers, and the free gift section became much more active than before. That's when I knew I was finally using the right setup. Now, start browsing normally. Pick the items you actually want. You'll notice the app begins surfacing more reward opportunities as you go. That's the experience I never got when I used random codes first. I actually tested this against a few other working codes from different videos. Most of them gave me basic discounts, nothing memorable, but the code on screen consistently gave me the strongest combination of better coupons, extra reward offers, and free gift progress. One more tip, don't wait until checkout to activate the code. By then, you've already missed the best part. Using it at the beginning gave me much better results than using it at the end. Now, let's keep this honest. Does this mean every account gets the exact same rewards? No. Can your offers be different from mine? Absolutely. But if you want the best chance of claiming stronger free gifts faster, start with the code on screen first. Everything else comes after that. Follow those steps exactly once, then come back and tell me one thing. Did the code unlock bigger coupon deals for you too? Or did your app look completely different?